Good afternoon. I wanted to go over what is due for this week. So we will have the discussion, and this week is just asking how you have done on the domain reviews prior to now. And then on the actual coding assignment in the modules, module 11 and 12 are both procedural codings from operative notes. So that's pretty straightforward. On the pathology reports, the modules, just remember that these are codes that start in the 8,000s. And this is also either a pathologist or a cytologist that are reporting these. So you'll want to add the appropriate modifier for the physician coding and billing for those. And then your coding assignments, the modules are just continued. The MindTap Module 5 quiz this week is actually all over ICD-10 CM, just to give you a heads up. So it's all diagnosis coding. And then for the reflection, you're going to reflect on that final quiz. And for that, you want to make sure that you're addressing each of the questions you missed, and just explaining this is why I missed it and this is why I understand. Or you can even say, I'm not understanding why I missed it, so that I can see that and I can give a little bit more elaboration on it. Don't forget, in addition to the Module 5 quiz, you are also going to be doing completing the Module 7, and you'll do the corresponding Module 7, so it would be domain 5 for this week. So if you have any questions, we will have a live session this Thursday, but aside from all that, just feel free to reach out if you have anything else. Thanks.